Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase everything on your iPhone. First, it is crucial to back up all your valuable data, either to iCloud or directly to a computer. Next, you must sign out of your Apple ID and disable Find My to prevent activation lock issues. Finally, make sure your iPhone has at least 50% battery charge to complete the process without interruption. To begin, simply open the Settings application on your iPhone. From there, navigate down and tap on the General section. Once you are in the General settings, scroll almost to the very bottom. You will then see an option labeled Transfer or Reset iPhone, which you should select to continue. Now, select Erase all content and settings from the available options. The system will then ask you to enter your iPhone's passcode to verify your identity. Please carefully review the final confirmation screen, as this action will permanently remove all data. Once you confirm, the process will begin and cannot be undone. After the erasure is complete, your iPhone will automatically restart. You will then see the initial welcome screen, just as if it were a brand new device. Every piece of personal data, all installed applications, and any custom settings will have been permanently wiped. Your iPhone is now completely reset to its factory defaults, ready for new owner or fresh configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.